Now all we're going to do is really easy. We're going to make some simple variations of the same stroke. So we'll take our outer ring, we'll duplicate that by pressing Command D on the keyboard or going up to Edit, Duplicate. We'll go ahead and we'll press S on the keyboard to bring up our scale parameter. We can just drag this down so it's inside of our first ring. We'll go ahead and we'll make this stroke a little thicker. Why don't we make it something like 30 or maybe even 50. And if we twirl down this arrow here, we go into our contents, go into the stroke, we can change the way our stroke looks by adding some dashes. So we'll just press plus on the dashes here. Now we've created these nice ridges. And if we want, we can increase the length of these by dragging out the dash parameter. We can change the offset to rotate them around, or we can even add a second dash and increase the gap, and another one to create a much different look. And we can adjust the length of each of our two dashes, all to taste. Again, there's no right way to do this, so it's really up to your preference. And now let's say we actually don't want to have a complete circle for the second set of dashes here. We can go into this Add modifier and add the Trim Paths operation. We can go here into our trim path, and we can just adjust the start parameter between 0 and 100%. And you can see we begin to cut off part of our circle. So let's bring that back down to like 75 or so. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to make a couple copies of this and repeat the same process, making slight variations to each of our rings.